Assalamualaikum students, welcome back into another video of Mathematrix. Today we are going to discuss about radical equations. What are radical equations actually? An equation in which variables occurs under the radical sign is known as radical equation. I'm going to write here. Here you can see the wording, an equation or a kind of equation in which your variables, your unknown terms x, y, z, it can be any of them, occur under the radical sign known as radical equation. I'm going to give you example here. Suppose square root of 3x plus 5 is equals to 2 is a kind of radical equation. Suppose square root of x plus 2 is equals to 3x plus 6 plus 9 is also a kind of radical equation. Your variables occurs under the radical sign. Is it? Now we are going to solve exercise number 1.4 from class 10th mathematics, and the question we have here. Okay ji, so here we have some questions from exercise. Question number 3. Remember the question 1, 2, 3 and 4 have same method. You just need to understand the method. You can solve any of the question. So the question we have, question number 3 is here. You can see the question. All question 1, 2, 3 and 4 are similar with the same method. Let's solve it. Solution. These are square root value. These are singular values. Just take the simple values separate. On one side, I'm moving it to the left side. I got 4x plus 3 is equals to square root of what? 13x plus 14. Now, what is the biggest problem that I'm facing? I'm facing that square root. I need to remove it. So taking square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. What I got? 4x plus 3 square is equals to 13x plus 14 square. Here I have a plus b whole square is equals to what? I got a square, 4a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equals to what? That will be cancelled. You have left 13x plus 14. Is it? Let's open it. 4 square 16x square plus 9. 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. What? 24x is equals to 13x plus 14. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to rearrange it. I have 16x square plus 24x minus 13x plus 9 minus 14 is equal to 0. I just take all the values on the left side. I got 16x square plus 24 minus 13. Just subtracted. I got 10x, 11x plus 9 minus 14. I have minus 5 is equals to 0. Now I got this quadratic equation. 16x square plus 11x minus 5 is equals to 0. Let's factorize it. 16 5s are 80. I need two numbers whose product is 80 and in addition it give you 11. 16 minus 5, yes. 16x square plus 16x minus 5x minus 5 is equals to 0. What I got? I got 16x common. Here I have left x plus 1 minus 5 is common. I have left x plus 1 is equals to 0. I have the factors 16x minus 5 into x plus 1 is equals to 0. Let's take them separately. 16x minus 5 is equals to 0, and here I got x plus 1 is equals to 0. I got the value of x is equals to 5 over 16, and here I got x equals to minus 1. So here we find the solution. Let's find out the extraneous roots. Check these solutions separately by putting in the values in the question. The question we had. So here we have our question. 4x equals to 13x plus 14. I'm going to put the values one by one. 4 into 5 over 16. 4 into 5 over 16 is equals to square root of 13 into 5 over 16 plus 14 minus 3. For 4 the 16, I got 5 over 4 is equals to square root of 13 5 the 65 over 16 plus 14 minus 3. I got 16 as LCM. 65 plus 24 minus 3. Let's calculate. So here I got on addition 289, which is the perfect square of 17, and below I have 16, which is the perfect square of 4. Let's solve it further. So here I got 5 over 4 is equal to 17 over 4 minus 3. And let's solve it. 5 over 4 is equals to 4 is the LCM, 17 minus 4 is the 12. 5 over 4 is equals to what? 12, 17 minus 12 give you 5. 5 over 4, so they are equal. Let's check for the second solution set. Now I'm going to check for x equals to minus 1. The solution set that we find. The solution set that we find in the question, 4x equals to 13x plus 14 minus 3. Let's put the values. I got 4 into minus 1 is equals to square root of 13 into minus 1 plus 14 minus 3. I got minus 4 is equals to square root of minus 13 plus 14 minus 3. Minus 4 is equals to positive 1. Square root of 1 is equals to 1. 1 minus 3. I got minus 4 is not equals to minus 2. So solution set. 5 over 16 and minus 1 is extraneous. Remember, we got these two solution sets, 5 over 16 and minus 1, but this one satisfies your equation, minus 1 didn't. So that's why this is your solution set and this is your extraneous root.